The internet, a boundless frontier of information, connection, and opportunity. But like any frontier, it has its dangers. Cybersecurity is no longer a concern just for tech giants and governments. Every connected device is a potential target. Each click, each download, a potential risk. The threat is real, and it is growing more sophisticated by the day. Protecting ourselves requires understanding the enemy. Hackers, once solitary figures in darkened rooms, now operate in organized networks, wielding powerful tools and sophisticated techniques. They exploit vulnerabilities, invisible cracks in our digital armor, to steal data, disrupt systems, and spread chaos. But knowledge is our greatest weapon. By understanding the tactics and tools of malicious hackers, we can better defend ourselves. Ethical hacking, the art of thinking like the enemy, provides the key to fortifying our defenses and securing our digital lives. In the arsenal of a hacker, few tools are as versatile as Python. This popular programming language, known for its simplicity and flexibility, can be used for good or ill. In the right hands, Python builds websites, analyzes data, and powers innovative technologies. In the wrong hands, it becomes a weapon. Python malware refers to malicious software written in the Python language. Its simplicity and readily available libraries make it easy for even novice hackers to create potent threats. And because Python code can be easily obfuscated or hidden, it can be difficult to detect and even harder to remove. Let's pull back the curtain on some common types of Python malware. Keyloggers, like silent spies, record every keystroke you make, capturing passwords, credit card numbers, and other sensitive information.
Reverse shells, digital backdoors, grant hackers remote access to your device, allowing them to steal files, install more malware, or even control your webcam and microphone.
Ransomware, perhaps the most insidious of all, encrypts your files, holding them hostage until you pay a ransom.
Imagine losing all your photos, documents, and precious memories locked away by unbreakable code. These are just a few examples of the dangers lurking in the digital shadows.
Section 4. Building your defenses. So how do we protect ourselves in this digital minefield? Awareness is our first line of defense. Be cautious about what you click on, what you download, and what information you share online. Keep your software, operating system, and antivirus programs up to date. Strong, unique passwords are crucial, and two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. Consider using a reputable password manager to keep track of your credentials. Be wary of suspicious emails, links, and attachments. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Regularly back up your important data to an external drive or cloud storage. Section 5. Knowledge is power. The fight for cybersecurity is a constant arms race. As hackers develop new tactics, we must adapt and strengthen our defenses. Ethical hacking plays a crucial role in this battle. By understanding how hackers operate, we can anticipate their moves, identify vulnerabilities, and develop countermeasures. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about cybersecurity, the better equipped you'll be to protect yourself and your digital life. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay safe in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Your security is worth it.